How to return Amazon orders and contact customer service. Go to Amazon's website and click on Returns and Orders on the top right corner of the screen. If you want to make a return on your Amazon app, click on the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Orders and follow the same steps. Scroll down to the item you want to return and click on the Return or Replace items right next to the item listing. The next page that opens up will have a drop-down menu with a list of reasons for returning the item. Select whichever option applies to your purchase and then click the yellow Continue button. You will then get the option to refund the balance to your Amazon account or your debit or credit card. Refunds to your bank cards usually take a week longer than refunds to your Amazon account wallet. You can drop off the item for free at your nearest UPS store, Kohl's, Whole Foods, Staples, or Amazon store. You can also schedule a UPS pickup for $7.99. Once you select a method, you'll receive a QR code that can be used to return the package at the drop-off location. If you choose UPS or Kohl's, no original packaging, tape, or shipping label is necessary. Just bring the item and scan it. If you need further assistance, here's the easiest way to contact Amazon. Amazon's customer service page is linked at the top left of the screen. The page contains a whole library of questions that users can get answers to, including how to track packages or cancel orders. If your issue can't be resolved from the questions listed, you can email this address in order to explain your issue more specifically. For quicker replies, call this number. Lastly, you can always chat with Amazon representatives via their live chat feature. Going back to the customer service help page, you can click on Something Else. Another page opens with a list of more help options. Select I Need More Help. Now the user has officially entered the chat. Type Talk to Associate in the chat box, and out of all of the available options, choose if you'd prefer to talk via chat or call.